friends, and welcome back to my channel. Sorry about the glare. So today I'm doing a Spellbinders unboxing, and the reason why I'm doing this unboxing now is because this box is a lot larger and a lot heavier than their usual DT packages. Okay, and so yeah, so I have a hunch as to what this could be, but I could be wrong. But yeah, I may have to remove some things from the videos if this package contains some material that has a certain date, a launch date. So obviously I would not be able to share that with you until its launch date. But yeah, I am so curious. I think I know what's in here. And so yeah, let's go ahead and do this unboxing right here and now. And I hope that everyone is doing well. And gosh, it's heavy and it hurts my back. But it's okay. It's okay. And so I am super excited. And hang on just a moment. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Okay. I'm going to have to pause the video right now because there are some things in here that I cannot show you until its launch date. Hang on. So of course I was so excited about getting the Spellbinders Glimmer hot foil system that I completely forgot to turn the recording button on, push on that recording button, and I just basically did the unboxing and I was talking to myself. I did the unboxing for my cats. So now that I have everything out and the recording button is red, which means I'm recording, I'll go ahead and share with you everything that came in this kit. So just to let you all know what's included in the box, you're going to get the hot foil stamp press machine, which is this right here. You get the power cord. It is a 6-foot power cord. You get the acrylic spacer shim. And that was this one right here that I shared with you. Or is it this one? Yes, it's this one. They call this one the acrylic spacer shim. Then you get the thin shim. And this silicone, this is a cooling pad. I thought it could be a spacer, but no. This is a cooling pad. And you get the tweezers. We've already seen that. You get glimmer plates too. So I guess they're calling this too the glimmer plates. And you get starter foil rolls of silver and gold. Well, I got silver and copper. And yeah, so this is part of the machine. And yeah, let me show you the page in here. Of course, they want you to read all of the safety precautions before you get started, because obviously this is going to get really hot. And if you've never done anything like this, you know, and even if you are familiar with these type of machines, then you should still read all of the precautions and the instructions and everything. I have never ever done hot foiling with anything, you know, and so yeah, I need to check and see exactly who, what, where before I get started on this. So it gives you the instructions over here on what you're gonna need to do, like plug it in and place the glimmer plate on the platform, and then they want you to place the glimmer foil with the shiny side facing down. and then you add the desired material and the necessary shims and see material chart. Oh, so they give you a material chart. So this is going to work with cardstock, watercolor paper, chipboard, let's see, fabric, ribbon, and leather. Check that out. Leather. That is really, really nice. And so, yeah, and over here, let's see, once you have the material and the necessary shims, see the material chart, then you're going to run it through. You're going to remove this platform, this one, and you're going to run it through your platinum machine or select manual die cutting machine. And so what do they mean by select? And so let's see, I guess you would have to go to the website to see what other machines this would be compatible with. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the work for you and link you to that page if I find it. I'm sure I'll find it, you know, I'll look for it. And so it says carefully remove the shims, place platform back in base. This is the base. Then you peel the foil from the material to reveal the foil design. Oh, and this is the design that they gave me. It's really, really, really pretty. And so, and it says how to use with select etch wafer thin dies. Oh. You can also use it with some wafer thin dies, and it says that you have to place the thin die with the cut side up. And it says this is very important, otherwise you're going to damage the platform if you do it the cut side down. So that's very important. It says press the timer button. The timer light indicator will initially blink green. You are ready to foil. So then you add your foil, shiny side facing down on the hot edge side, add the desired material, just like in the other one, and carefully remove the shims, place platform back in base, peel foil from material to reveal foil design. Oh, cool. So this is really, really great. So what I will be doing, oh, here's more. Here's more. Okay. Alrighty. I didn't see these pages. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to play with this for a while, and then I'm going to come back on here on a separate video to show you how I'm using it and to give you my honest to goodness review on it. I've never ever had a machine like this. This is going to be my very first time doing this, and yeah, I am so super excited. I want to thank Spellbinders for sending this to me, and yeah, I am so looking forward to sharing with you some paper crafting projects using this machine right here. Thank you so very much for watching, and I will see you once again real soon. Make sure that you subscribe and you click that bell notification button so that you will be informed the next time I upload another brand spanking new video. And more than likely, excuse me, it'll be the one to show you how my projects came out with this, and I will do a process video too on this. I'm losing my voice. Oh my goodness, I don't know what it is. I've been losing my voice lately. I can't talk for too long. Okay, I will see you once again real soon. Bye.